When dad says, după ce naște mama, vă duc la mare.
Let's go!
The seawater is too cold. I'm not getting in.
Whoever loses has to go in the water.
Can I try one more time?
Okay. Oh man!
I wish I could sabotage him.
We win!
You guys going If you're watching this video and you already did this thing, make sure to go in the water.
Nu te bagi în apă cu tata.
A jellyfish wash up on the beach.
Friendly advice: if you don't know how dangerous it is, just avoid it. Because even when it's dead, a jellyfish can still sting you.
Jellyfish sebi sau ce e? Ce mare!
If you want to see what else we found on this beach, click on this video.